In the annals of aviation history, certain aircraft stand out as true marvels of engineering. The Saab-37 Viggen is one such aircraft, yet it remains largely unknown to many. This Swedish fighter jet was a technological wonder of its time. It combined advanced capabilities with a unique design. The Viggen was a testament to Sweden's commitment to neutrality and self-reliance during the Cold War. The Saab-37 Viggen first took to the skies in 1967. It was designed to meet Sweden's specific defense needs. The country needed a versatile aircraft capable of intercepting bombers, providing close air support, and conducting reconnaissance missions. The Viggen met all these requirements and more. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Saab-37 Viggen never achieved the fame of its contemporaries, like the F-16 or MiG-29. However, for those in the know, the Viggen represents a pinnacle of Cold War-era fighter design. The Saab-37 Viggen was a triumph of Swedish engineering. Its design was revolutionary for its time. The aircraft featured a distinctive double delta wing configuration. This design gave the Viggen exceptional maneuverability and stability. It could operate from short runways, taking off in 500 meters and landing in 300. This was achieved through its aerodynamic design and a powerful thrust reverser, powered by a single Volvo RM8 turbofan engine. The Saab-37 Viggen was equipped with a comprehensive suite of defensive systems. These were crucial for survival in the high-threat environment of the Cold War. At the heart of these systems was the Radar Warning Receiver, or RWR. The RWR alerted the pilot to enemy radar emissions. The Viggen carried chaff and flares to confuse enemy radars and missiles. It also featured electronic countermeasures to jam enemy radars. The Viggen's low-level flight capability was crucial for penetrating enemy air defenses. The Saab-37 Viggen was not just a defensive aircraft. It packed a formidable offensive punch as well. The aircraft could carry a wide variety of weapons. These ranged from air-to-air missiles to anti-ship missiles and conventional bombs. This versatility made the Viggen a true multi-role fighter. For air-to-air combat, the Viggen was equipped with AIM-9 Sidewinder heat-seeking missiles. It could also carry the Swedish-designed RB-74 missile. For longer-range engagements, the Viggen could use radar-guided Skyflash missiles. In the ground attack role, the Viggen could carry a variety of bombs and rockets. It was also equipped with the ARB-04E anti-ship missile. One of the most impressive aspects of the Viggen's offensive capability was its advanced fire control system. This system integrated data from the aircraft's radar, navigation system, and weapons. It allowed for precise weapon delivery even in challenging conditions. During the Cold War, Sweden maintained a policy of neutrality. However, this did not mean the country was unprepared for conflict. The Saab-37 Viggen played a crucial role in Sweden's defense strategy. It was designed to counter the threat of Soviet aggression. The Viggen's capabilities were tailored to meet the specific challenges Sweden faced. One of the primary roles of the Viggen was to intercept Soviet bombers. These aircraft would have to fly over or near Swedish airspace to reach NATO countries. The Viggen's high speed and advanced radar made it well suited for this task. It could quickly climb to high altitudes and engage targets. The Viggen also played a key role in Sweden's anti-ship defense. The Viggen's ability to carry anti-ship missiles made it a potent threat to any invading fleet. Despite its neutral stance, Sweden cooperated secretly with NATO during the Cold War. The Saab-37 Viggen deserves more recognition in the pantheon of great fighter aircraft. Its innovative design and advanced capabilities were ahead of their time. Many features first seen on the Viggen later became standard on other fighters. The canard delta wing configuration, for example, was later adopted by aircraft like the Eurofighter Typhoon. The Viggen's ability to operate from short, improvised airfields was also groundbreaking. This capability influenced the design of later STOL, or short takeoff and landing aircraft. The Viggen's thrust reverser system was unique among fighters of its era. Despite these innovations, the Viggen remains relatively unknown outside aviation circles. This is partly due to Sweden's limited export of the aircraft. Only Sweden operated the Viggen in significant numbers. However, the Viggen's legacy lives on in modern Swedish aviation. The lessons learned from the Viggen program directly influenced the development of the Saab-37 Gripen,